Hello, I'm Nicola. Today we're going to draw an astronaut. So I'm going to start with, shall I start with the head? Yeah, start with, there we go. There's the head, and then he's going to have a, as you guessed, screen at the front. I don't know what you actually call that, to be fair. There we go. And then he's going to have a backpack, or she. I quite like the idea of having a female astronaut. If you look online, there is some female astronauts, and there's one with one of them, and she shows you what it's like washing her hair in space. I thought it was quite cool because everything rises, doesn't it? So it's pretty good, that video she does. So we're going to do it with a thumbs up. Now, these hands can be difficult. So I'm going to do a thumbs up. So this is going to be the thumb here. Okay. And then bring it down a little bit. You see that. Now the fingers, we're going to go round and up. The same. Round, up. And now this is going to be a little finger here. It's a little bit smaller if you can. And then I'm going to do that. Bring the sleeve in. There we go. And there's the hand. So it's got a bit of a thumbs up there. Or she. Whichever you prefer. Now I'm going to draw body coming down. I'm going to draw it all the way to around there. I'm going to come across. And I'm going to go up with a bit rounded there. I'm going to go across there, and then to go around to there, and up, and carry that to around there. Okay, and now I'm going to draw an arm here. I'm going to come down to around there, and like that, and the sleeve. Okay, so we're going to draw. Now this one, it can be really hard to draw, to visualise if you're making your picture up yourself, what the hand position the hands are going to be in. So if you ask someone to stand in front of you and then tell them to stand in different, use their hands in different places, you can then draw or get used to drawing, because they are difficult to draw hands. That's not the best what I've just done. And then some moon boots. There we go. And you usually have a flag on their arm. You could do whatever flag you want. And you could have some tubes and things coming on here, if you like, as well for yours. But I think mine is done for now. So that's the astronaut. Maybe you could draw him standing on the moon at the space station. I don't know. Maybe you could put stars at the back. It's completely up to you. I'm just going to do that on mine. Okay, that is done. That's your astronaut. And thank you very much for watching. Hope to see you next time. Oh, actually, I've forgotten again. If you'd like to send me your picture, I will post it on my Facebook page, and all the details are below. I'd love to see your art, and hopefully see you next time. Thank you for watching.